Here's some tips on how to repair underground landscaping wire if it gets cut. In my case, my lawn service was going to do core aeration with giving me notice so I could mark where the cables were, and they frickin' didn't. So, oh man, I'm just burned up about it. But finally I got a cable locator, which locates cables. It doesn't find where they're broken. So that was a wasted effort. So I wound up having to pull up the wire and feel it for the cuts. And there was one separation of the wire and many times when they cut through to the copper. So I'll show you what I did to repair that. So, you know, we got a couple landscape lights out front. We got a timer up on the house that wires them, and it's gorgeous at night. You know, come on and off when you need them. But you got to keep the wires from getting cut. So here you go. So the wire obviously goes to the lamp. It comes down, runs along the ground, and pulling it up here, I started finding nicks. You know, here's where it actually separated once. Then nick, you can see the dry path along it. And nick. This is actually the one that separated right here. That's how I fixed it. So and then it goes, there's another landscape light there, there's another landscape light over there, and it all runs up to the house. Works great when the wires are there. These are the repair tips. There's two miracle products here. This self-bonding silicone wrap. If you don't know about it, it turns into silicone after you stretch it and wrap it tight. So that's amazing how well that stuff works. And this waterproof connectors, there's silicone inside of them, so they work great too. You tighten it up and then the silicone oozes out. So that's the major thing right there. Wire them with that, wrap it up with that. The exposed places wrap with this. And of course beforehand you gotta, you know, cut and get the wires ready to go, clean it up. You know, just a little clean up so you got nice, clean, black, dry stuff to work on, and there you go. They separated here, so put a splice on, wrapped it with tape, and this they just cut through to the copper but didn't break any wires, so I wrapped it with tape. And then I'm gonna put silicone in these gaps, so when I'm done here. Here. I'm going to put silicone in these gaps when I'm done here, because water could go in there and get to the copper. So I just glob a bunch of silicone caulk on, and hopefully that'll do it.